In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review the Rocket Money app with a comprehensive walkthrough. Let's dive into what Rocket Money is all about and see how it can help you manage your personal finances more efficiently. Rocket Money is a personal finance application designed to give you a better grip on your finances. Some of its standout features include tracking your expenses and budgets, identifying subscriptions you might be paying for unknowingly or those you might have forgotten, and aiding you in canceling those unwanted subscriptions. Additionally, Rocket Money can negotiate your bills, such as internet and phone services, to secure lower rates. It also offers automated savings tools and provides insights into your credit score and net worth. The app provides a holistic view of your financial standing, putting everything in one convenient place. Now let's talk about some of the pros Rocket Money offers. One of its strongest suits is its ability to highlight forgotten subscriptions and recurring charges, which many users find very helpful. It also offers bill negotiation services, often recovering fees or offering savings by negotiating terms. The budgeting tools are clear and user-friendly, offering insightful categories that help you understand where your money is going. And if you're worried about costs, Rocket Money's free version already gives you access to basic tracking features, which means you can get started without any investment. However, Rocket Money isn't without its drawbacks. Many of the advanced features, like subscription cancellations or unlimited budgets, are only available in their premium plan, so keep that in mind. Additionally, the fee for negotiating bills might be substantial since Rocket Money takes a slice of your savings, often between 35 to 60%, if they successfully negotiate a better rate for you. Users have also flagged that the subscription tracker sometimes misses smaller or less common payments, and while the budgeting features are strong, they're not as customizable or detailed as some other apps. There can occasionally be syncing issues, where certain banks might not connect seamlessly or updates can be delayed. As for the cost and plans available, the free version will allow access to basic tools like subscriptions and account linking. The premium plan provides extra features like real-time balance updates and savings tools, typically costing between $6 and $12 per month, offering flexibility in pricing. There's also a bill negotiation success fee. Noteworthy is that you only pay this if Rocket Money successfully reduces a bill for you. Now, addressing safety concerns, Rocket Money uses bank-level encryption, which should provide peace of mind. It connects to bank accounts via Plaid, ensuring your bank login credentials are not stored directly on Rocket Money. To top it off, there's a demo mode that lets you view features without exposing real data. In conclusion, Rocket Money can be a valuable tool, especially if you have multiple subscriptions and want to streamline your recurring fees, or if you want an easy consolidated view of all your accounts while keeping track of spending trends. However, if you prefer free tools without premium features or desire more detailed budgeting and forecasting, you might want to explore other options.